lines essay on New Year. First line, New Year is a special day. Second line, it comes on 1st January. Third line, it brings happiness. Fourth line, it's a time for celebration. Fifth line, it is a new beginning of life. Sixth line, it is celebrated like a festival. Seventh line, people take New Year resolutions. Eighth line, we start New Year with new hopes. Ninth line, we plan to do better in the new year. 10th line, we welcome new year with joy and pomp.